Ballwin electric car charger installers. Everything you need to know. Mistakes to avoid when looking for electric car charger installers. Mistake hash 1. Not checking for proper certifications and licenses. Always ask for proof of certifications and licenses before hiring an electric car charger installer. Mistake hash 2. Choosing the cheapest option without considering quality. Prioritize quality and reputation over price when selecting an electric car charger installer. Mistake hash 3. Not considering the future needs of your electric vehicle. Choose an electric car charger installer who can accommodate future upgrades and changes. Mistake hash 4. Ignoring customer reviews and testimonials. Research and read reviews from previous customers before making a decision. Mistake hash 5. Not asking about warranty and maintenance options. Inquire about warranty coverage and maintenance services offered by the electric car charger installer. Our team is dedicated to providing top-notch service, quality installations, and excellent customer support to meet all your electric car charging needs. Get in touch with us now for a free consultation and quote for your EV charging needs. Call us at 636-733-6267 and https://ballwinev.com. Thank you for considering Ballwin electric car charger installers for your electric vehicle charging needs. We look forward to assisting you.